Class 12, let us continue the chapter. Next question, sum number 6. What is the question? Find the area bounded by x-axis and one arc of the sine curve. That is, y is equal to sine x between 0, 0 and pi 0. Okay. That means 0 to pi. 0, 0 and pi 0 means 0 to pi. Sine curve we know like this. No need to extend here because we need only one arc above the x-axis. What is the question? Find the area bounded by x-axis and one arc of the line of the sine curve y is equal to sine x between 0 to pi. So no need to take this also. 0 to pi means this is 0, this is pi, this is 2 pi. So no need to take this also. We will consider this way, this part only. Okay. So what is the answer? Required area. Integral with respect to x already said. So what we will write? Y dx. Okay. And it is 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Y is equal to sine x. So write here integral 0 to pi sine x dx. Normally we get this as 2 square unit. Always remember. Always we get this one. Each arc area we get as 2 square unit. This area 2, this area 2. All the arcs we will get as 2. Okay, now let us see whether we are getting 2 or not. Now 0 to pi sine x. Integral sine x is minus cos x. So it is coming minus cos x 0 to pi. Minus cos x means minus cos pi minus cos 0. Cos pi value is what? Minus 1. Cos 0 again 1. So minus 1 minus 1. Minus of minus 1 minus 1. Minus of minus 2. See, already we have got 2 square unit. Okay. Next sum. Students, this time I think I should not send you the PDF because the writing part I think he will not understand. Because of me, of my finger, I can't hold the pen properly, and so I could not write properly also. Okay, so please go to the videos only this time. Next sum number. Sum number 7. What is the question? Draw the graph of y is equal to cos x. Okay. Draw the graph of y is equal to cos x between x is equal to pi by 2 and x is equal to 3 pi by 2. Find the area between the curve and x-axis. Okay, find the area between this curve and x-axis. What is the curve actually? We start this y is equal to cos x graph from on the x-axis we take the point is minus 1 and cos x, obviously that time it will be minus 1. So minus pi minus 1. Let us take this as minus pi and this as minus 1. This is 1. तो 2 minus pi छोटा minus pi here and then it will be obviously minus. If this is minus pi, this is minus pi by 2, this will be pi by 2, this is 0, this is pi, next is 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, next is 4 pi by 2 means 2 pi, next is 5 pi by 2, next is 3 pi. But we have to give only pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Okay. And draw the graph y equal to cos x, find the area. Okay. Now the point will be minus 1. Here 1 point. Then this. Then this. So let us draw minus 1. Red pen use Korea. And it will be very clear and highlighted also. Let me draw the graph. Okay. Then pi by 2. Then 3 pi by 2. Then 2 pi. Then 5 pi by 2. Like this only. Okay, this is the graph. And draw the graph y is equal to cos x between x is equal to this, and find the area between this curve and x axis. Okay, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 and x axis. What is the range? What is the region? This will be the region below the x axis. Okay. So what below the x-axis as an answer for definite integration, when we will get the answer as negative. Already I have said below the x-axis answer we will get, for when we will use the definite integration sign, we will get the answer as negative value, but when we will write the required area, so the total area should be written as this positive value. Okay, because for area we will take only the magnitude, we cannot take the direction. Now area will be what? Required area, that is equals to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 y dx. Okay, so it is coming, y dx means cos x, so it is coming integral pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, this is cos x dx. Okay, cos x dx means obviously it is coming ddx of cos x is minus sin x, integral cos x is only sin x pi by 2 3 pi by 2. Done. So sin 3 pi by 2, let us check whether we are getting or not the negative value. Sin 3 pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2. Okay, sin 3 pi by 2 means 3 into 90 degree plus 0. Odd number change, even number no change. Odd number cos 0 cos 0 to 1. It will be 1 with the negative sign because it's the third quadrant. Okay, minus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 everybody knows, that is only 1. So it is coming minus 2. Okay, therefore area, what we will write, required area is equal to 2 square unit. Don't be confused here why we are getting minus 2. Don't be confused. Already I have said below the x-axis always for definite integration always we get the answer as negative. Okay, and above the x-axis we will get the answer as positive. Okay, but when we will write the answer as area, obviously we will mention only the magnitude because area cannot be negative. Area always we write the area as positive value, so it will be positive. Okay, next sum number. Next one sum is there, that is really very big sum. I think I have to start with a new video. Sum means using the integration find the area of the triangle PQR where the vertices are this and this. Okay, for this type of sum we know this is very simple. Let me say something about this type of sum. When the three vertices will be given to find the area using definite integration, at first what you will do for your safe side, what we will do for in coordinate geometry, the formula what we know, that half into that x1 x2 x3, and between the brackets we write y2 minus y1, then 2 y2 minus y3, 2 3 3 1, then y3 minus y1, then y1 minus y2. Like this you just find the value. It will take hardly 1 minute. Hardly 1 minute it will take, and you will get the answer. Because for this type of sum, the next sum what I'm going to do, that type of sum is so our three vertices will be given. For we have to find three equations also. At first three equations, then we will sum up, then sometimes we have to subtract, like this. So addition, subtraction, finding equation, it will take too much time will be taken for that. And if you know your answer is what, then the ultimate, after definite using this definite integration, that formula and everything, then you will see that if your answer is matching with the previous one, then you will be satisfied, and it will be known to you that your sum is correct also. Okay, so let me start with the new video for the next sum.